Tamarinds frequently get mistaken for legumes due to their brown shell and pod-like appearance. This fruit is good for your health in a number of ways. This is because it is full of nutrients. It has many vitamins and antioxidants. Tamarind also has properties that reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. Your immune, digestive, neurological, and cardiovascular systems can all benefit from eating this fruit. In this video, we'll outline several health advantages that this fruit's regular consumption can provide. Consider the following. 1. Tamarind leaves support the health of our hearts. Potassium and vitamin C, both of which are good for your heart, are found in large amounts in tamarinds. These help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. All you need is a few tamarind leaves and some water to get these advantages. Consider the following. Boil water in a saucepan. Add tamarind leaves and cook for 3 minutes. Afterwards, allow the mixture to cool. Drink the tea throughout the day. 2. Tamarinds improve digestion. Tamarinds can be beneficial because they contain fiber. This facilitates bowel movement. Additionally, they increase the production of bile and gastric juice. This helps with food digestion. This fruit is used to treat chronic constipation. It is a fantastic natural laxative. 3. Tamarinds support weight loss. The ability of this fruit to promote weight loss is one of its key attributes. Its high fiber content helps us feel fuller for longer. It removes fats from the meals we eat. Tamarinds contain hydroxycitric acid. This blocks an enzyme that accumulates fat. To support weight loss, combine this formula with a healthy diet and exercise. Consider the following. Ingredients. 1/2 cup tamarind juice. 1 pineapple slice. 1 small papaya. Instructions. Using a blender, simply blend everything thoroughly. This should be consumed in the morning. 4. Tamarinds protect against anemia. Tamarinds are also good for treating anemia because they are high in iron. Iron can improve your blood flow. With the right amount of iron, you will also have strong red blood cells. Red blood cells support the movement of oxygen through your body. 5. Tamarinds work well as an anti-inflammatory. Tamarinds are a common ingredient in many herbal remedies all around the world. Tamarinds can be used to treat eye infections, gout, arthritis, and rheumatic disorders. This is because of their anti-inflammatory effects. 6. Tamarinds help regulate diabetes. Tamarinds contain an acid that can reduce the amount of carbs your body absorbs. Anyone with diabetes will benefit from this because it controls blood sugar levels. Consume some tamarinds 3 times a week for the best results. 7. Tamarinds can help treat liver issues. Tamarinds offer medicinal qualities that cleanse and protect our liver. They work wonders to get rid of liver fat and also treat bile issues. The following is a healthy way to consume tamarinds. Consider the following. Ingredients. 100 grams of tamarind fruit, peeled. 1 liter water. A blender. Instructions. Blend tamarind in a cup of water. After blending, a thick liquid should be the result. Add the remaining water. 3 portions of this cocktail should be consumed throughout the day. Eat a natural diet full of vegetables to complement this drink. Stay away from alcoholic drinks and processed foods. 8. Tamarinds can reduce hair loss. Tamarinds are frequently utilized in natural hair loss treatments. Consider the following. Instructions. Boil tamarinds with the peel still on. Let the liquid mixture cool. Apply the mixture to your scalp. Gently massage your scalp. Allow it to remain in your scalp for an hour. Use warm water to rinse. Use 3 times a week. 9. Tamarinds strengthen your immunity. Tamarinds are loaded with vitamin C, which boosts immunity. Tamarinds also have antibacterial and antibiotic qualities. In a study done in Brazil, tamarinds were found to be effective against many types of bacteria. This includes Salmonella and E. coli. Salmonella and E. coli are the most common types of bacteria that cause food poisoning. As a bonus, worms can be eliminated by using tamarind seeds. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.